Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of NS30 Robotic Total Station. This is the NS30 Robotic Total Station, equipped with a warm gear motor, supporting unlimited fine motion, and loaded with a high-pressed survstar software developed by South. The NS30 is equipped with two 5.5-inch 70K LCD displays, running on the Android 11 system, making it convenient for users to operate. And this is the H6 Plus data collector. It comes from a one-person service system with the NS30, and both are equipped with antennas to ensure stable signal transmission. The box also includes two 5,000 and 400 mAh lithium batteries, which can be replaced with an internal power source as needed, commonly used in monitoring projects to extend the device usage time. In addition, the battery charger and the data cable are essential accessories, and a small toolkit and a waterproof bag are also included to deal with emergencies and ensure the device can be used normally in complex environment. At the same time, we also provide target papers in different sizes to meet your diverse measurement needs.